I am at Camp Joseph Robinson, and this is the Museum of the Oklahoma National Guard. And this is a current active military base, so you can't just walk in here. This bed has been modified to fit the display. All right, now we know. We didn't actually sleep like that. We slept more like that. And we have a military rocking chair. It's so crazy to think, like Desert Storm, you know, like we have museum pieces dedicated to it now. And it's hard to believe it was that long ago. Some stuff, Iraqi things. It's interesting to see what Iraq had in its arsenal, because they had stuff from basically all over the place. That's my favorite, that broom handle Mauser over there. I'd like to get one of those one day. But they're very expensive. Oh my goodness, we've got quite the collection in here. Quite the collection. Some big rifles. One of the things that I recently discovered is they're bolt action rifles, but you just pull straight back, like that one. See how these have the bolt with the bolt handle turned down, and these have the bolt handles just they just slide straight back. I just thought that was kind of interesting. Not sure how that mechanism works, but it is rather interesting. And the Webley revolver, I like those. Those are kind of unique. Some Turkish sabers. That's interesting. Wow, look at this. 1905 field gun. I mean, been amazing. Still had wooden spoke wheels back then on things. So this flag was captured April 30th, 1864. Wow. So this was completely tattered. Well, that's a real piece of American history right there. Somebody had a lot of patience to make this. I guess this camp is pretty big. Anyway, it's not a very big museum, but thought it was worth a visit today. Hope you enjoyed.